If you're tired of the taste of eggs, I have got a beautiful recipe that's going to mask the taste of eggs and give you lots of flavor. Eggs Benedict breakfast bombs. Stay tuned. Hi and welcome to Cook with Mel. If you're returning, welcome back. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you know when we've posted a new recipe. It'll only take you a second, but it'll really help my channel. One of my favorite breakfasts before keto was definitely an Eggs Benedict breakfast. It is so beautiful with, your salmon or your bacon, chives, hollandaise sauce. What more could you ask for? So today we are doing an Eggs Benedict breakfast bomb for you guys, and it's just one net carb. It's really easy. You can make it ahead. You can pop it in the fridge for the week, and you can definitely freeze them. Let's get into that recipe now. Over a high heat, melt a half a tablespoon of butter. I've got here 4 ounces or 113 grams of smoked salmon, and it's been finely diced, and I'm going to add half of that to the pan. Saute that until it's finely crisp. Now that that's finely crisp, I'm just going to turn off the heat and set this aside. And now you're going to mash up 2 boiled eggs that have been peeled and cooled, and just till it's fine. And I'm doing this with a whisk. That's pretty good. Now add all your mashed eggs to a bowl. Your raw salmon, the other half of that salmon that we saved. 2 tablespoons of chives, fresh and chopped. Hollandaise sauce. And this is about maybe 2.5 tablespoons, and I'm going to link, if you haven't made your hollandaise sauce, there's a link appearing in the top right hand of your screen now. Add some pepper. This is just a pinch, and a pinch of salt. Now you're going to mix that all together to form a batter, a paste, whatever you want to call it. Now that it's fully combined, separate your mixture out into 4, and then we're going to roll it into balls. Add your cooked salmon to a bowl, and I've got some cheddar here as well. And now that your balls have been formed, you're going to dip this ball into the cooked salmon, like that, and then into the cheddar. Oh, that looks so pretty. And add them to your oven-proof dish, and now we're going to bake this for 10 minutes. Guys, these look so beautiful. I'm just going to remove this, let it completely cool, and then it's ready for the fridge, and you've got a beautiful breakfast for the week. I've also made another variation. This is not using the hollandaise sauce, and you can use any sauce that you like, but I've used here our 0 carb mayonnaise recipe, and here is the link if you want to try it. And this is what it looks like. And you can try, if you want to use bacon bits, if you want to use chicken. I think you can try this with any meat that you like, as long as it's cut into small pieces and you've got your egg there as well. And then you can also play around with the sauces if you like, because your sauce is your bonding agent, so you need your sauce. And finally, you can top it off with some chopped fresh chives, which I've done here. And there you have it, these beautiful Eggs Benedict breakfast bombs, and you can have 2 for just 1 net carb. I really hope you get to make it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.